Hello friend, welcome back to pre-foundation classes. As you know, we have completed first class biology, or means to say first chapter of biology, and in this class we are going to ask the biology first chapter. So now this is the 6F foundation class and we are going to start to ask the question all these students. Are you ready, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's get start the first question. Stand up, girl. Which is shrub among the following? A. Spinach, B. Mango, C. Lemon, या D. Neem?
Lemon.
Very good. Sit down. Now up. Money plant is climber, tree, herb, या creeper?
Climber.
Very good. Sit down. Up करो जो बेटा. In which plant branch arise from the base of stem? A. Tree, B. Herb, C. Shrub, या फिर D. Creeper?
Shrub.
Very good. Sit down. आप करो जो बेटा. Which of these trees do not contain branches? A. Coconut, B. Apple, C. Neem, या फिर D. Mango?
Coconut.
Very good. Sit down. आप खड़े हो जाओ. The thick woody stem of tree. A. Node, B. Trunk, C. Scale, या D. Internode?
Trunk.
Very good. Sit down. आप बताओ. Which of these plants store food in their roots? A. Balsam, B. Onion, C. Carrot, या D. Zinnia?
Carrot.
Very good. Sit down. आप बताओ. Which one of the following has tap root? A. Wheat, B. Rice, C. Maize, या फिर D. Pea?
Pea.
Very good. Sit down. All of the students giving the right answer. Now start the boy. It's the boy's turn. Breathing root are present in P. B होगा हमारा mango, C. sugarcane, या D. mangrove?
Mango.
Very good. Sit down. आप बताओ जल्दी से. A plant having the parasitic root. A. Radish, B. deodar, C. rice, या फिर D. banyan?
Deodar.
Very good. Sit down. Sit down. आप खड़े हो बेटा. Now, crop root are present in A. rice, B. sugarcane, C. हमारा maize, या फिर D. rubber?
Rubber.
Very good. All the students giving the right answer. Now this is the second turn. Okay. Which part of plant conduct food? A. stem, B. root, and C. leaves, या फिर D. flower?
Leaves.
Very good. Sit down. Now it's your turn. Which of these does not have nodes and internodes? A. ginger, B. turnip, C. rose, या फिर D. palm tree?
Turnip.
Turnip. Good. Sit down. Sit down. आप बताओ बेटा. The main axis of plant body is called A. stem, B. root, C. leaf, या फिर D. flower?
Stem.
Very good. Sit down. आप बताओ बेटा. Stem of plant. A. bears flower and fruits. B. conduct food from leaf to other part of plant. C. conduct water and mineral from root to leaf and other parts of plant, या फिर D. all of these?
All of these.
Very good. Sit down. आप बताएं. Ginger soda brown scale like leaves on it. The part of ginger that we use in cooking is actually a stem, B. root, C. leaf, या फिर D. हमारा flower?
Stem.
Very good. Sit down. Can you tell me? Ginger show brown scale like leaves on it. The part of ginger that we use in cooking is actually a stem, B. root, C. leaf, या फिर D. flower?
Stem.
Okay, stem. Very good. Sit down. Now I'm going to ask the question and stand up, boy. Now, the leaf of which of the following plant have reticulate venation? A. wheat, rose. Option ये देखो. This is the answer without option. Sit down. Sit down. Now stand up, you. Tiny pores on the surface of the leaves are lenticels, stomata. Very good. क्या?
Stomata.
Stomata. Very good. Sit down. Now your turn. So can you give me which of the following is the part of leaf which with which it is attached to the stem?
Lamina.
Lamina. Very good. Sit down. Now stand up, boy. Now your turn. The process by which the water comes out from the leaves as vapor is called?
Transpiration.
Transpiration. Very good. This is the boy without giving the option and they giving the correct answer. Now your turn, beta. Green leaf-like structure at the base of flower are A. petal, B. sepal. क्या होगा?
Sepal.
Sepal. It is the right answer. Sit down. Now your turn, beta. Now, can you tell me female reproductive part of flower? A. stamen, B. pistil, या फिर C. petal, या D. sepal?
Pistil.
क्या बोला?
Pistil.
Pistil. So this is the right answer. Okay. Now your turn, beta. Can you tell me anther contain A. pollen grain, B. ovules, C. ovary, या फिर D. petals? Anther contains. वैसे क्या बोला?
Pollen grain.
Obviously pollen grain. This is the right answer. Okay. Can you tell me in leaves vein can be visualized in the form of A. scratches, B lines, C holes या फिर D sticks?
Lines.
So lines, this is the good question. Now this is the pre-foundation class, and in this way we are going to ask the questions with this little students and class 6F. So in this way how can we or we can conduct the class 6. So इस वे में हम लोग पढ़ा रहे हैं क्लास 6 हमारी कैसे जा रही है, आप समझ सकते हो। और इससे बच्चे इससे क्या होगा, कॉन्फिडेंस, और इसके साथ साथ बिल्डअप होगा, मेमोराइजेशन ज़्यादा होगा। सो दिस इज द वे ऑफ टीचिंग। एंड नाउ थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो एंड क्लैप एवरीवन एट द लास्ट।